Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on Android Motorbike Mode for Android. The Motorbike Mode allows you to send an automatic SMS to the ones who got their calls rejected. The Motorbike Mode enables you to handle incoming calls in a safer way while riding. This feature will allow you to stop bothering about the phone calls, messages, and other important notifications and focus on the driving. Point 1. How do I turn on Motorbike Mode? Step 1. Turn on the accessibility menu. Open your device's shortcut center. Tap Motorbike Mode. Turn on Motorbike Mode. Tap on Features. Point 2. What are Motorbike Mode other options? Once you tap on Motorbike Mode, it will show you other options inside, like Auto Reject Calls, Auto Response with SMS. Thank you for watching presentation video on Android Motorbike Mode, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.